Hello. What's up, guys? Sean Dexter here, back to you with another video analysis on Bitcoin USD. And today we have a few things to talk about. Particularly, I want to talk about the 3-day chart. Okay, so the last time we talked about this was, 3 days ago. That would make sense, right? So what were we looking for? We were looking for price action to shoot past this 200 MA and hopefully close, right? We wanted to close the 3-day candle above this 200 MA, and we don't want to get excited until that happened. Now, looks like price is way above this 200 MA, but we still have around 12 hours to go before we close this candle. So it's not confirmed yet, but it's looking good. Okay, it's looking good. Now, crazier things have happened in Bitcoin, and we could very well drop, what is that, 12% over the next 12 hours and close underneath this 200 MA. And that, my friends, would be an extremely bearish sign, because that would be a clear rejection of this 200 MA twice, right? Because the previous 3-day candle, we shot past it and we closed underneath. Now we opened pretty close to it, shot past it with good volume, and come and close underneath it again. I wouldn't like that at all. So let's put this horizontal line over here, and let's go ahead and turn that line red. Okay, red is for danger zone. Okay, so what else do we have? We are also looking at this level over here, the top of the cloud, right? The top of the Kumo. Let's go ahead and mark that here. Let's be as precise as we can. No, that's not good enough. There we go. Okay, and let's turn that white. Now. Usually for what I consider healthy price action, now everybody's different, everybody has different perspectives, but for me, I don't like seeing price go shooting up straight like that. I like to see price create like a flow and go up slowly. More importantly, when it breaks certain levels, I want to see that price come and test that level again before moving on and upward. Now the question is, are we going to come and test the cloud again? Are we going to come and test the 200 MA on the 3-day again? Or have we already done that? Now, let's go ahead and dissect price action to see if we have, right? Let's go ahead to a 1-hour time frame. Here we have a white line, right? And here we have a red line. Okay, this white line is from the 3-day Kumo line, and here we have a red danger zone line. This is the 200 MA. Okay, and look at this. Do you guys remember this candle? I'm in a few Telegram groups where a lot of people got very excited / bearish when we start having this. When Bitcoin started going down really fast. They're like, this is it, guys. This is it. We're going back down to 6.2K. We're going to 6.2K. The CME gap is going to get filled. The thing is, this was expected. I was actually looking forward to this. Now, I'm not trying to say, I told you so. What I'm trying to say is, don't get caught up in the lower time frames. Do not get caught up in the lower time frames. If you look at the high time frames, we were fine. This was expected. We were going to come and test this line, and we want that to happen. Well, if you're bullish, I mean, if you're long, you want that to happen and bounce, right? And what did we see? We saw price come and get bought back almost immediately. Okay, this was strong, and you can see the follow-up after that. We went and tested the 8,400-ish level, and if you guys remember from the previous video, I think we were shooting at for 8,400-ish, right? I was marking those lines very crudely, but I still think that the level was kind of like, it was front run, right? I think the level we should have hit was 8,400, but who knows? Anyways, that was close enough. After that, we've kind of like, this looks like consolidation. Now this is still the low time frame, so I don't want to get caught up in that. When you look at the daily, however, it's kind of looking like weak price action here, right? It may just be a topping formation, and it wouldn't surprise me, because we've had like this is not the kind of price action that I would like to. I like this area over here. You see how we kind of form a base in this horizontal. You can go ahead and mark that here if you want. You see what I'm talking about, right? And then we came, tested that, and boom, up. So now we can look at this area over here, but not really. It looks like price action may come down and test the 7,000 level again, but then I was looking at the 12-hour, right? And this, see, it's already flipping green. Before I started this video, we had 3 indecision candles over here. You see this this topping formation that we have over here, then the indecision candle, indecision, indecision. We had 3 of these being red. We just turned this green. But usually when you see so much indecision, price just tends to go in the way it was going. So which way was it going all this time? Up. Which way am I expecting it to go now? Up. I'd rather come down, to be honest. I'd rather come down. I probably will be a buyer over here to strengthen my position. If it does go up, it's harder to healthily increase your position with this kind of price action. But then I was looking at the stochastics earlier today, and we were about to cross bearish, right? We were about to cross bearish, and then we just freaking turned up again. Like, guys, look at this. We just went up again. I was like, okay, cool. There's something. There's still strength. Bitcoin still may have some strength in it. But then again, I also want you guys to take a look at this. You can see this here. We have up to down, up to down, and we have down to up. Okay, this is in the makings. Again, I have to repeat, this is in the makings of a bearish divergence. Now, until we actually come down, it's not confirmed, right? We need to confirm a candle to confirm this as a local top. So what would I like to see for that? I would like for us to see, particularly on the 4-hour, see that? This might be a rejection of the 4-hour 10 SMA. These are like, signs of, hey, be cautious. But we had that here too, and we just pumped. But I would, to confirm that bearish divergence, I'd like to see a couple of 4-hour candles close underneath the 21 EMA, just to make it simple for you guys. Okay, I'm simplifying it, but that's what you want to see. Don't call bearish divergence too early. It's not there yet. Okay, I see far too many people being like, guys, this is bearish divergence. It's not. We're not there yet. A couple of you messaged me about this too, so you guys know who I'm talking about. If you know who you are. But yeah. Not making fun of you, I'm just saying. Okay, so is there anything else I want to talk about? Let's go ahead and talk about the weekly. As long as we are living above this area over here, again, remember this horizontally marked, right? We can bring that down a little bit here. We could honestly come all the way down here, bounce off this, and Bitcoin's bull trend will still be intact. You cannot call a test of 4,000 until we break this. Okay, guys, this is your baseline for if you guys are looking to buy at the 4,000 levels, your first level of contention would be 5,600-ish before you think about that. Okay, so that's it. That's not much I want to talk about for Bitcoin. Let's just see what happens. We may go up, we may go down. I know that doesn't help much, but it is what it is. Let's talk about Ethereum. I did do a price update on Ethereum yesterday, so go ahead and check out that video. This is going really well. That's just luck for you. Sometimes trades go well, man. And in the Telegram chat, I did talk about a target of 296. As you can see, the 200 MA is working its way down to the edge of the cloud over here. So I think we may actually, okay, you see this horizontal over here? I've marked right on top. It seems like we're trying to fight that. If we close the 2-day, okay, even a 1-day, in fact, we close a 2-day or 1-day tomorrow above this 231, I think we're going to go ahead and make a beeline for 280, okay, and kind of overshoot a little bit, test the top of this cloud level over here, and then probably close underneath the 200 MA on the 2-day. That's what I'm looking for. And then we'll be fighting this resistance here. But hey, that's me being bullish because I'm in position. Who the hell knows? We may just get rejected over here tomorrow or get rejected over there and then just boom, dump, right? Oh, and a quick thing I forgot to mention about Ethereum, the 12 on the Ethereum. So you can see the first 12-hour candle of the day went and closed above this horizontal that we were just talking about at 231. Now, if you look at this 12-hour candle over here, we did come and test it, we broke it, and what do you know? We got bought back. And this to me is a sign of strength. Okay, you can see that we came and we are resting right above this 231 area right now. So as long as we are living above that, I am staying bullish. Even if we do come and close underneath, I would still be bullish. Honestly, we could come all the way down here, bounce off there, and we'll still be fine. But this is looking really, really good. I think if we close here tomorrow or anywhere above here, we are going to just keep going. And like I said, our price targets I already talked about in the previous clip. So yeah, I just wanted to mention that quickly as well. Do we have anything going on in the 4 hour? Let's look at that. Yeah, this just looks good, man. Like, you know, we're making new 4 hour highs, and look at that, price action is being bought back up. We're making higher low, higher low, higher low. I mean, I know people tend to miss the big picture, you know, on Ethereum. Ethereum has been generous, and it's been calling good price action for a while now. It was telling you, hey, we are gonna go up very soon, get ready. Look at that. Low, higher low, higher low. A test of the 200 MA on the daily, bounced, gone up to the moon. Well, not to the moon, I'm being a little excited here, but yeah, I just wanted to quickly mention that, guys. Have fun trading, blah blah blah. I'll add this to the clip as well. Talk to you